USS Abraham Lincoln, CVN 72. The Giants returned to the U.S. Navy. USS Abraham Lincoln, CVN 72, has been one of the leading aircraft carriers in the United States Navy fleet. With a rich history and diverse missions, the ship is making a comeback after undergoing extensive maintenance, her return to the fleet marking a new chapter for U.S. sea power. The aircraft carrier was launched in 1984 and since then has undergone many missions. USS Abraham Lincoln has been involved in numerous military operations, both at sea and in a humanitarian context. Always providing a sense of security and stability for U.S. allies around the world, after more than a year in the repair dock, the ship returned with significant updates. Advanced technology and modern weapons systems have been added, making her one of the most powerful aircraft carriers in the fleet. With these updates, USS Abraham Lincoln is now capable of taking on more complex challenges in global waters. One of the outstanding features of the ship is its ability to carry various types of fighter aircraft. With a spacious flight deck, the ship is capable of supporting large-scale air missions. Aircraft such as the F/A-18 Super Hornet and E-2D Hawkeye are ready to provide crucial air support. Modern radar technology and missile launch systems provide additional security, not only for the ship itself, but also for the fleet operating in its vicinity. Strengthening the USS Abraham Lincoln's position in the international arena, the ship is also equipped with advanced defense systems. The return of the aircraft carrier has also had a significant impact on morale, with sailors serving on the ship feeling proud to be part of a larger history. With the recommissioning of the ship, many new generations have had the opportunity to serve on a ship of great prestige. USS Abraham Lincoln has participated in important humanitarian missions. From humanitarian crises to disaster relief, the ship has always been ready to provide assistance at critical times. Her presence in areas in need of assistance is often the hope of many. Last week, the ship made its maiden voyage after maintenance. The event was attended by various high-ranking Navy officials, showing how important the ship is to U.S. maritime power. An atmosphere of emotion and pride enveloped the soldiers and their families. The aircraft carrier is also a symbol of the power of diplomacy. Its presence in various parts of the world demonstrates the U.S. commitment to its allies. By operating the USS Abraham Lincoln, the U.S. Navy affirms its position as a force capable of maintaining peace and stability.